There's a lot of videos on how to create consistent characters in Midjourney, but can you create multiple consistent characters in a single scene? You can, and it's what I'm going to show you right now. To get started, you want to create a custom parameter related to your consistent characters. It works best if you have an existing image that was created in Midjourney. But if you don't have any, it's recommended to create them in Midjourney first. Just make sure that when you're creating both of these images, there's some consistency between them. For the ones that I've created, which is a young woman wearing a leather jacket and then a young man wearing a blazer, both of them have shot with Cinestill 400D film in the prompt. To create a custom character parameter, you'll want to copy the link of your reference photo first. You can do that by right-clicking and clicking on copy link. But if you're working within a browser, you can click on the image, right-click, and then go to copy image address. In the text box, type in prefer option set. Under the option tab, you'll want to name the character whatever you want. It can be any name or it could be a word. Just make sure it's something that's easy to remember. And then you'll see plus one more. Click on it. You'll see the value option come up. Click on that and then simply paste your URL and hit enter. You'll see Discord update with the Midjourney bot indicating the custom consistent character parameter has been created. Simply repeat the same steps for your second consistent character. Just make sure not to name it the same name as the first one. With both of these character parameters created, you're now ready to start creating scenes and putting your characters into them. With a scene created, upscale an image and click on Vary Region. If you don't see Vary Region, go to the text box, type in /settings, hit enter twice, and you'll see Midjourney settings come up. There's a lot of different options that you can use to customize, but for right now, all you need to do is click on the remix mode button, make sure it's enabled in green, go back, regenerate the image, upscale the one that you want, and then you'll see the Vary Region button. Going back to Vary Region, you're gonna wanna click on the lasso button. You can start with tracing around the first consistent character's head. Then in the prompt, you're gonna wanna add in --CRF, which is Midjourney's consistent character reference parameter. And then after that, hit the space, type in --, the name of your character, and then hit enter. So if we look at the first reference image again for the woman, and now here we'll look at the picture of a couple in a Roman amphitheater. You can see the woman's face has been updated. But now let's go ahead and add the man in. Going back to the initial one that you adjusted, go back to the lasso tool, trace around the man's head, and then in the text box, you want to add in --, the name of your second character, and hit enter. So again, we'll go back and we'll look at both reference images for the man and the woman, and you can see both of them are here within the updated image. Here's a few more examples of scenes that I created with the same consistent characters. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free and doesn't cost a thing. And if you're looking for more videos about Midjourney, I have a playlist that you can click on right here.